Okay guys, well here's weld number 23. This is one of those projects that sits in the shop for months and it doesn't look like you're getting anything done. And there you go. Don't want to do any more than that. I tried and the weld's cracked. I can't believe how hard it is to make a halfway decent looking weld when you're stitch welding like this. I don't think it's possible. It's like by the time you get started and going, you have to quit. One more weld. Well guys, this is one of those projects that just takes a lot of patience. I don't know if you can see, but this crappy looking weld, let me get my tape measure. The problem is I get carried away and I weld too far. Right there is a crack. The weld actually cracked, but when I look at it, that piece, I welded probably an inch, and that's just too much. I got too much heat going there. Actually, I think it's, I wish this camera would focus. It just doesn't focus. Yeah. You can't see on the camera, but I think I welded 1.5 inches on that one, and the thing is, I get going and I just get carried away. I can't stop myself. I'm just used to welding regular steel where you get it going and then you get in your little groove and you just keep on going. But with this stitch welding, by the time you get it started, you gotta stop before you know it, so you don't get the heat in the cast. And I don't know. It's just I don't know. I'll probably have to regrind some of that and redo it. But yeah, it's just gonna take time.